Hey everybody, this is Dave. I am with Joe. I just did Joe's Jetta, and he had tried a number of things, but it still smelled like smoke. He rented the car on Turo, and it came back. Well, you tell.
Yeah, I rented a car on Turo and came back, and I don't smoke, and it smelled like somebody was smoking in there for a week straight, having a couple cigarettes a day. I went to AutoZone, O'Reilly's, tried everything they sold over the counter, put it in my car, smelled great for 2 or 3 days. I rented to another Turo guest, got it back this morning, called Dave and said, hey man, I need you to get out today. He came out today to my work while I was working, did his magic, and my car smells like it just came off the lot, and I would recommend his service and his company, you know, every single time. So my car feels and smells brand new. I couldn't be more excited.
Thanks. Hey, thank you for the review.
No
Thanks for the
worries.
business. And I will see you hopefully never again.
Yeah.
Here's the problem with being the odor guy. When you're good at what you do, you make friends and then you never see them again. So this will be the last time I ever see Joe unless he starts smoking. Don't start smoking.
Not.
Yeah. But unless he starts renting his car out again on Turo. But meanwhile, if you are a Turo host, would you give me a call? We have a DIY kit. You can do 90% of what I do. You know, at your own pace, just overnight on your own. And it's a whole lot less money. I would love to hook you up with that, especially if you're out of state. But if you are local and you need someone to service your car, we'll do that too. Give us a call. There's a phone number on the website, or there's an 800 number, or if you give me an email at youtube@mastergerm.com or mastergerm@odorremoval.com, it's the same thing. Thanks. We'll see you soon. If you're a pro and you got questions about how to get the results we're getting, give me a call. I like coaching you as well.